Hi guys, welcome back to Oida's Kitchen. Hope everyone is doing okay. Well, today I'm going to make curry chicken. Yes, so here I have one chicken and here are my seasoning. So first I have my curry and my masala, which I'm gonna burn, and I have my all-purpose, my black pepper, my chicken season, my garlic powder, and my celery, and also my salt. So I'm gonna add these. Just a minute, I'm gonna add these. And my pimento seed, guys. I'm gonna put all of these. You could use some of your curry when you season the meat, you know. I'm gonna use some, and some of my masala. And masala, guys, is a Indian spice. Yeah. I'm gonna use this somewhere. And I also have here my season, my scallion and thyme, and onion, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet, carrot and garlic, and Irish potato. I'm gonna rub in my seasoning. Yes, I'm gonna leave this just for 15 minutes to marinate. Alright guys, after 15 minutes I'm gonna start now to my chicken. So I'm gonna burn my garlic and my masala and my curry. Then I'm gonna add my scallion and thyme. Then I'm gonna add my chicken. If you could just smell this, smell really good. Yes, so I'm gonna cover this. I'm gonna cover my meat and let it sweat its own water or brown up. I'm gonna check back maybe like 5 minutes time. Okay, I'm gonna check on my meat. Okay, my curry chicken coming on fine. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add some water right here. Yes guys, and I'm gonna allow it to cook again. Alright, I'm gonna check on my chicken. So after 15 minutes of cooking, I'm gonna add the rest of my seasoning to my meat. I'm gonna add my Irish potatoes. I'm gonna add my carrots. I'm also gonna add my sweet pepper and my scotch bonnet and my onions. And I'm going to allow them to cook. I'm going to check back soon. Just checking out my curry, alright? So I'm just going to give this maybe like 5 more minutes, and then my curry is finished. My curry chicken will be finished. I'm going to taste for salt. Okay, it's okay. Because once you use a lot of powder seasoning, you don't need a lot of salt. So I'm just going to let this simmer for 5 more minutes, and then you will see the finished dish. Finishing frying my plantains. Alright guys, my chicken is finished now. My curry chicken is all finished. So I'm gonna plate. So here is my finished curry chicken, and I'm serving it with white rice, raw veg, and ripe plantain. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.